Hi, Brendan from Metra Electronics, here with a new solution for 2018 and up Subaru Legacy and Outback, excluding the 2.5i models, the 99 and 95 8909. This kit is painted black with a silver trim. Difference in them being is the 95 is specifically designed for a double din install and the 99 for a single din install. To finalize this install, your wiring harness is going to be the 70-1761 for non-amplified vehicles, and your antenna adapter will be the 40-LX11. For any more information on this product or other brands, you can visit us at metraonline.com, find us on Facebook, and follow us on Instagram. Thank you for choosing Metra Electronics. We are 12 volt.